In this section, we'll discuss the EdgeConnect appliances and their licensing requirements. In the last module, we discussed how it is the orchestrator that acts as the manager for all appliances. Again, for the EdgeConnects, I like to think of them as the employees on a team. You'll see the EdgeConnects are given the tasks, directives, goals with which they are to carry on with during their daily activities. They are responsible for handling day-to-day traffic handling and forwarding. All EdgeConnect appliances are managed and configured by a single orchestrator via policies, templates, and profiles. They are responsible for forwarding both internal and external SD-WAN traffic and perform all traffic handling such as routing and forwarding, tunneling and encapsulation, QoS and security, path conditioning, and WAN optimization. EdgeConnect appliances can be deployed in 3 different ways, either as a physical appliance, which is an HPE server sold with the EdgeConnect operating system software installed on it, a virtual appliance, which is a virtual machine installed on its own hypervisor via a downloadable OVA file, or as a cloud-based appliance, which can be deployed on Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS directly from Orchestrator. The hardware EdgeConnect appliances have a reduced branch footprint with a high-performance data plane. Their connectivity and availability are maintained even if Orchestrator goes offline, just like a team would still do their work if the manager went on vacation. They provide application-specific brownout detection and mitigation. EdgeConnect appliances names use what we affectionately refer to as t-shirt sizing. From the ultra-small to the extra-large, their capacities increase. Our 2 newest boxes are numbered as the 10104 and the 10106. In general, the larger a device, the more total WAN bandwidth is available and it can handle. The more simultaneous connections are supported, and the larger boost bandwidth capacity it will have. Additionally, the larger devices also support fiber connections, have solid-state drives, and replaceable power supplies. When you purchase EdgeConnect appliances, Orchestrator is included. At the time of this recording, these are the available specifications of available physical appliances. For the latest product information, you should always refer to the official product datasheets on the website. Included here is our latest appliance as of this recording, the EC10106 and the EC10108. Typically, every EdgeConnect appliance will have at least a few RJ45 interfaces for LAN, WAN, and management access via Ethernet. As more are added, they are numerically distinguished as LAN 0, LAN 1, LAN 2, WAN 0, WAN 1, Management 0, Management 1, and so forth. As EdgeConnects increase in capacity, support for optical interfaces like SFP+ are also included. Depending on the model, power over Ethernet may be supported. On these boxes, it's worth mentioning that there are combination ports, LAN 2 and WAN 2, which must be configured as either an RJ45 interface or using an optical interface. They cannot operate as both. In addition to dedicated management ports, most appliances also have a standard console port for direct access to the CLI, as well as perhaps a USB port for attaching additional memory or a USB LTE modem. Like this one. This USB LTE modem offered by HPE Networking is suited for small office, branch, and pop-up locations. It provides plug-and-play LTE connectivity for an EdgeConnect, supporting USB 2.0. It has a 270-degree swivel on one axis and a 90-degree swivel on another. There is global support for nearly all major carriers, providing high-speed connectivity with LTE Cat12 speeds. It is directly managed by the orchestrator for EdgeConnect SD-WAN gateways and is configurable as a backup or primary WAN uplink. EdgeConnect appliances can also be deployed as virtual machines within a hypervisor. These ECV virtual appliances are identical in functionality and user interface to physical appliances, except they're deployed on your own hardware. Since an ECV doesn't have a burned-in serial number to identify it to the cloud portal, it requires licensing information to be manually inputted. ECVs are capable of 1 gig of throughput and higher, but like all EdgeConnect appliances, require a license. Of course, the host's hardware must support the required performance, so consult the SD-WAN documentation online to make sure your hardware meets the requirements. And don't forget that adding boost can require additional resources. Lastly, we have an automated process by which a physical EdgeConnect appliance can connect to the orchestrator via zero-touch provisioning. When an EdgeConnect comes up, it contacts the Cloud Portal. The Cloud Portal lets orchestrator know a device wants to join the SD-WAN. On the orchestrator, an approval button will appear if there is an existing pre-configuration file that is matched. Once an administrator approves the EdgeConnect to join the SD-WAN, the EdgeConnect is added, and note that automatic approval can be enabled, eliminating altogether the need for human interaction. Let's go ahead and look at some review questions to see how much you've learned. In the next module, we'll look at how the SD-WAN is licensed.